our professional organizer, Amy Payne, is here to help us make that next move a lot easier. I could have used you several years ago, believe me, because I may throw it in the box and hope for the best. Kitchen. It could be anything,
Right.
Amy.
Yeah, miscellaneous probably isn't a very good term.
So what's different about this system?
Yes, so this is, I'll hold
anything
it
would
up
be
here
better
so you
than
can
mine.
see it. The ultimate color moving system. So I personally moved 11 times the first 12 years I was married. Ridiculous amount of times. So I hate moving, but I now find myself helping other people move more efficiently and effectively.
Well, you've had a lot of experience. See, you've learned a lot too.
I have. And then with our clients, we've helped them pack and move and unpack and everything, get organized in the process over the past few years. So we've refined this color-coded system so that it's a packageable form. People can actually purchase it now, retail, so that way we can get these in the hands of lots more people.
So how does it work?
So the concept is that there are 12 different colors, and some of this you may see on the screen later, but there's 12 different colors, one for each type of room that you want, and then there's inventory sheets, so you're not writing on the boxes at all.
Oh, really? So you're just seeing the color. So
sticking colored labels on there, and then you're writing your inventory in here, your priorities of what to unpack first, second, third, that sort of thing. There's a whole guidebook in here that teaches you how to get organized, how to declutter your house to put it on the market, how to pack your boxes, where to find supplies, how to utilize the system, labeling, etc. I mean, lots of good information throughout this. We have sheets where you draw out the little floor plan of your house. Can't get to it right now. There you go.
Yeah, a grid plan.
You do a grid of your house, and then you've got colored stickers that you put on there that coordinate with the color of the boxes, and that goes on there. Worksheets.
You've just thought of everything.
Everything. And then in the back, you've got room signs. So as you go to move, you hang up your floor plan that has the color-coded rooms so that whoever's carrying your boxes in can see exactly what room to go into. And then you hang up your room signs, and then you've got your box labels that go along with it. So all the different colored box labels are all included here as well. So
what's that little number cost you?
It's around $75.
Not bad for what you're going to do. It'll save you so much time and money.
So the labels go around the corners of the boxes so that from all four sides you can see the color. When you see a stack of boxes, you can see if you have all of your colors in order or if you need to do something different.
Very clever. So you can see. This is like some things like not to do. That would be my side. This would be your side of things to do. And what are some of the common mistakes we make when we're moving, especially if we're moving on our own?
One of the big things that people do is they get to the end and they're tired and they just are like, I don't know. I'm tired. I don't care anymore. And I just throw it in a box. Another thing people do is they pack it according to the room they took it out of instead of the room it's going into. So we organize as we pack. We think about what's my space look like in the new place? So if you have an office right now and you're going to, say, a condo where there's a desk in the kitchen instead, you pack your office stuff, label it kitchen, because in the new place, it's actually in the kitchen.
Good point.
So thinking through those kinds of things and organizing it as you go.
And what are some of the things we need immediately? Because that's the mistake I always make. Like, you're going to need sheets for the bed and comfort.
Exactly. That's where the priority boxes come in. So instead of just throwing everything that's near each other, throw it all in a box together, you want to think through, what am I going to need that first 24 hours? That's priority A. You need to make coffee in the morning, right? For me, that's important.
Yes, amen.
Sheets on the bed, toilet paper, things like that you want right away. And then the other stuff, B, is stuff that you need within maybe a week. And then C is like, well, if it sits in the garage for a couple months, it's not going to kill me. So,
well, how can our viewers acquire this?
They can go to the website, either our website, lastingorder.net, or the website, ultimatecolormovingsystem.com.
Okay, well, get moving. You can do it by color and do it right. Thank you, Amy.